We spend hundreds of dollars on multi-step routines, assuming more products equal better results. But the relentless pursuit of perfect skin through complex regimens is actually the leading cause of modern skin damage. This microscopic cross-section shows the stratum corneum. Built like a brick-and-mortar wall, it locks essential moisture inside while bouncing pathogens off. This relies on the acid mantle, an invisible buffer hovering between 4.0 and 5.8 on the pH scale, which neutralizes harmful bacteria. When you apply a 10-step routine packed with heavy cleansers and overlapping active ingredients, you strip away that protective mortar and neutralize the acid mantle. Clear, resilient skin doesn't come from forcing another highly concentrated serum into your pores. It comes from stopping the daily habits that actively dismantle your natural physiological armor. One of the most common ways we dismantle that armor is through daily exfoliation, using harsh scrubs or chemical acids, believing that shedding dead skin is a daily requirement. Looking closely at this microscopic view, you see what that actually does. A physical scrub aggressively tears away the protective cellular layer, exposing raw tissue. That waxy, reflective finish many associate with a glow actually marks a dangerously thin, severely compromised stratum corneum. You'll often see internet trends suggesting a natural approach to brightening, like rubbing raw lemon juice or baking soda directly on your face. Because these kitchen staples are entirely unstandardized, they cause violent spikes or crashes in your skin's pH. Applying them triggers immediate contact dermatitis, setting off a cascade of severe inflammation across the tissue. Over time, that chemical stress forces the skin to produce excess melanin in a panic response, leading to stubborn dark spots, a condition known as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which is especially severe in diverse skin tones. When you treat your face like a DIY chemistry experiment or a piece of wood that needs to be sanded down, you convert a sophisticated defense system into a permanent open wound. This instinct to attack our skin extends to how we manage breakouts. There is a persistent belief that if you have oily or acne-prone skin, you should entirely skip moisturizer to dry out the problem. This systemic diagram shows the biological reality. When you deprive the surface barrier of hydration, the tissue panics. It sends an alarm signal down to the sebaceous glands, which then aggressively pump excess oil upward to compensate, immediately clogging your pores. This brings us to another popular home remedy designed to dry things out, dabbing toothpaste on a pimple and leaving it overnight. Toothpaste contains abrasive calcium, whitening peroxides, and baking soda. Instead of neutralizing bacteria, these ingredients create localized chemical burns and cause the hair follicle to rupture under the skin. Trying to burn away a pimple or starve your face of moisture only forces your body to accelerate its sebum production, guaranteeing barrier failure. But even if you treat your barrier gently indoors, many of us abandon our defenses outside, operating under the assumption that sunscreen is only required for beach days or bright summer afternoons. To understand why that fails, look at this split cross-section detailing ultraviolet radiation. UVB rays, the ones responsible for surface sunburns, are easily stopped by a standard window pane. But the longer UVA rays, which drive deep tissue aging, pass effortlessly through that glass. Those UVA rays also easily penetrate heavy cloud cover. So while you sit in a brightly lit office or commute on a rainy Tuesday, radiation is actively mutating your cellular DNA and breaking down your collagen. Look at this vintage photograph. Mid-century culture actively promoted unprotected sunbathing, normalizing cellular damage by rebranding the resulting skin trauma as a healthy, desirable glow. Modern dermatology leaves no room for that kind of exposure. Clinical guidelines require daily application of a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher, regardless of the season or the forecast. Without a relentless daily defense against UV radiation, every expensive serum, cream, or treatment you apply is biologically useless, destroyed by cumulative radiation before it can ever do its job. Repairing this damage involves a method called Skinimalism, the mandatory biological baseline required for tissue recovery. As you can see by looking at this measured pump of cream, a functional routine strips away the excess. It relies on exactly 3 non-negotiable pillars: a cleanser to remove daily pollutants, a moisturizer to lock in hydration, and relentless SPF protection. You have to stick to this minimal routine because of a process called desquamation. It takes roughly 28 days for new skin cells to develop, mature, and naturally shed. Your barrier needs a full month of minimal interference to complete that cycle and rebuild its mortar. During the first week of this reset, your skin might actually feel slightly rough. This is a normal adjustment period as your tissue unlearns its dependency on aggressive daily chemical exfoliants and recalibrates its natural turnover rate. Lasting skin health relies on stepping back and allowing your body's evolutionary armor to do exactly what it evolved to do.